Before we dive into the details of the brand new Kia K4 2025, make sure to hit that subscribe button on V8X so you never miss the latest reviews, comparisons, and updates on upcoming cars. Now let's get into why the Kia K4 is creating so much buzz in the automotive world. The Kia K4 2025 is the official replacement for the popular Forte, and it brings an all-new design language that makes it look far more premium and futuristic. The exterior has been completely refreshed, featuring sharp LED headlights, a bold tiger nose-inspired grille, and clean aerodynamic lines that flow across the body. From the front, it looks aggressive, while the side profile feels sporty yet elegant, with bold alloy wheels that complete the look. At the rear, you get a modern light bar connecting the taillights, giving it a high-tech vibe. Available in colors like deep sea blue, currant red, steel gray, snow white pearl, Aurora Black Pearl, and more, the Kia K4 offers plenty of choices to match your style. Step inside the cabin and you immediately notice how upscale this compact sedan feels. The dashboard is dominated by a wide curved display that combines the digital instrument cluster with the infotainment system. Everything is sleek, minimal, and focused on the driver. You also get wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, multiple USB ports, and advanced driver assist features. The seats are offered in high-quality cloth and Syntex materials depending on the trim, and the cabin feels more spacious compared to the outgoing Forte. Rear passengers also enjoy better legroom, making it a comfortable option for small families or daily commutes. Performance-wise, the Kia K4 2025 is offered with multiple engine options depending on the trim. The base models come with a naturally aspirated engine delivering efficient power for city and highway driving, while the GT Line Turbo variant gets a more powerful engine designed for driving enthusiasts. Handling is responsive, steering feels light yet precise, and the overall ride quality is smooth even on uneven roads. Kia has also packed in advanced safety tech like forward collision warning, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control, making this compact sedan one of the safest in its segment. When it comes to pricing, the Kia K4 2025 starts around $21,990 in the United States for the base trim and goes up depending on the configuration and options. Considering the premium features, upgraded design, and advanced safety, the value it offers is impressive compared to rivals in the compact sedan class. The Kia K4 2025 isn't just a replacement for the Forte. It's a major leap forward for Kia in terms of design, technology, and performance. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and most importantly, subscribe to V8X so you never miss out on more exciting reviews of the latest cars.